to your channel How To. Today I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial you'll get to know how to get any book for free. Let me walk you through the tutorial. Let's get started. So guys, this is the website zlib.org. This website allows you to download books, articles for free. Let's download books. You can search the book by the name of the author or ISBN number or publisher name or title. Let me search for a book and get it downloaded for you. By the way guys, ISBN number stands for International Standard Book Number. It is the number by which you can recognize various books. Let me search a book for you and download it. While searching, use the PDF keyword too so that you will get the file in PDF version, or else you have to download other third-party softwares to read the file. Now you can see we have got over 500 plus results. We can easily download the book. So guys, I have come to my documents, downloads and documents. My PDF is stored here. Let's read it. So guys, you can see that we have successfully downloaded this book for free. So let's end this video. Give up a thumbs up if you like this video, share and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to be notified on every update from How To.